Um, Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this. I'm going to make this a fairly quick video. I've just bought a new tent. Well, in actual fact, what are we? 4th of September now. I bought the tent. It was either late May or early June, about there somewhere. As yet, I haven't actually got around to using it. No, actually, I think it was late June, early July when I bought it. My apologies. Yeah, I've not used it as yet. What it is a Naturehike. It's a CloudPeak 2. I got it for £187 UK on Amazon UK. Gone up in price a bit by the looks of it. Like I say, I've not had a chance to actually use it yet. A few days ago I did actually erect it quickly in my daughter's garden. It's not very big, we just barely had enough room. Unfortunately the cats were attacking it, so I had to be quick. What I was doing, I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to show you some changes to the Naturehike CloudPeak 2. What I've done, one of my granddaughters, a couple of my granddaughters and my daughter, I don't know if you can see that, I've cut out a couple of these shapes from some tent fabric. My daughter sewed them up on her machine. Unfortunately it broke one of her needles. I'm going to use a little bit of Velcro and just tack these over the end net bits inside, just to see how it works. Keeps the draft down a little bit perhaps. As I say, I haven't done that yet. Ain't quite finished sewing. Right, now I have noticed some changes to the CloudPeak 2. Previously, I watched all the videos on YouTube. I'm trying to show you this. It had a three-way opening door. The zip ran along the bottom. It's not actually easy to show you like this, but the zip ran along the bottom edge of the door and then went up and round. There was also a bit of a zip on this little bit on the side here. As you will notice, this zip doesn't exist, so you can't open that second little bit. Also, the zip along the bottom has gone. All we have now is a double zip that goes up and around like that. I just sort of point that out. I was a little bit disappointed, not hugely so. It would have come in handy to have this little bit rolled back so you could get out and make a cup of tea in the vestibule, but you can't do that anymore. Well, I say anymore, I don't know. This particular tent, I bought it as a CloudPeak 2. As I say, that's different. Definitely different. Not a great deal buster. I'm still happy with the tent, but it would have been nice to have that extra little bit there. The other thing I didn't like when I first got it were these guy lines. To me, they looked incredibly, I haven't measured these, they're not much more than about 2mm. Incredibly thin and weedy looking to me. So I've replaced them with this, a little bit more substantial paracord. This one has also got a reflective stripe sewn in. So I've replaced all the guys with that. I've also made six extra guys for the, like you got the normal ones halfway up the poles. I've made some to go down the bottoms of the poles, so doubling up. Seen that done on a few YouTubes. There's the ones I've made. Oh, I'm puffing. Right, I was hoping to do a decent review of the tent when I first used it, but as I say, we're into the 4th of September now. My fragile old body, 68 years old, heart failure, arthritis, you name it, I've got it. I reckon once we get middle of September onwards, I'm going to call it time for this year. So I've got about a week and a half left to try it. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I just sort of point that a little bit out. I don't know if it's a new design they brought out or whether it's going to be a permanent change. If I've got hold of a really old design of the tent, I don't honestly know. But I just wanted to point that out. Anyway, that's all I can suggest for now. If I do get the chance to do a review, I'll follow up with that as and when. So thanks all for watching and listening to my droning on voice. Have a good day, good afternoon, good evening, good night, all of you, anyone watching, and hopefully we'll meet again sometime. Thanks for watching. Bye.